You can see it, guys. You can see it. We have exciting news. FlashPrintingDepot.com has launched and we offer financing. Financing. So as you guys can see here on the screen, you just go to FlashPrintingDepot.com, click Equipment Financing, click the button right there where it says click to apply, and you can apply for financing right now through us. You will be teamed up with our associate over at First Citizens Bank, and they will hook you up. They will answer all of your questions. If you want to call them first and ask about the application process, they will have you covered. Mr. Andrew, he's got your back. They are a great establishment. They have been in the industry for a very long time. They totally know this new world about DTF, and they specialize in equipment financing, right, babe?
They do. And when you apply, the process is seconds, an approval or a denial in seconds. As soon as you put in your information, you will get an approval or denial, and then they will move you on to the next level. So there's no waiting, there's no later email, there's no letter in the mail. You get those instant results to see if you're qualified for your equipment financing and becoming your own provider of DTF transfers in 2024, cutting that middleman out.
Yes, and also any other type of printer as well or cut machine, they can finance. Remember, they specialize in equipment financing. So if there's some, maybe you want a sign printer, maybe you want a sublimation printer. If there is some type of equipment that you would like to move forward in 2024 and start your business, we can help you with that process. Even if that printer is not necessarily on our website, just contact us. We can get you in contact with that actual machinery, because you know that we have a large amount of different printers and cut machines and everything else that we are working with. If you are looking at a special machine and you don't see it on our website, just contact us. You can email us now at flashprintingdepot@gmail.com. Shoot us an email, shoot us an inquiry. We will get with you and we will get you finance for that machine. And babe, do you want to tell them anything else about the financing options?
Yes, we do have our DTF machine on our website for $25,500.
Yes.
But the financing, equipment financing specialists, they finance from $1,000 to $1 million. So if you're looking for equipment financing, like you said, on other equipment that's not on our website, you can still reach out to us and get that equipment financed.
Yes, listen, 2024, we're right around the season we're right around that income tax season. You guys are looking for a place to invest your money, it's with us. We teamed up with First Citizens Bank to be able to offer you direct financing. So you don't have to go to another company, you don't have to go to anybody else. You can just come right to the website, fill out the application. You're gonna see the agent that is going to be handling your specific case. And again, in the future, we will be talking to him personally so that he can also go over some particulars and how it also works. But remember, you're working with a trusted source. They are actually one of the big sponsors for the new Impressions Expo that is coming up. In fact, whenever I did my research, First Citizens Bank was the only financial institution that I seen that's a sponsor for that entire event. So they are big dogs in this world. No longer do you have to worry about, well, where will I get the money and will somebody trust in me? I'm a business and no, as long as you have all your business paperwork and everything legit, we believe that you can get financing through us for your equipment, because we want to do everything that we can here between Flash Custom Transfers and Flash Printing Depot to be your #1 source for all printing products.
Yes, and that is important. As you said, you have to be a business. It is not for individuals. It is for entities, business, LLC, DBAs, things like that. So they do ask you for your EIN number, or the federal tax ID. They do ask you for your LLC. So those are things that are required when filling out the application. So just remember that, to have that information on hand when you're filling out your application.
Yes, and please go back and check out a lot of the videos, because we touch on our process of starting our LLC. That video is actually on the channel. And a lot of people have been seeing that and are asking us, well, how did you do that? And what did you do? And we have learned so much. So if you, right now, if you don't have an entity, a sole proprietorship, an LLC, an S Corp, or anything like that, you can reach out to us and we can help you with that process. But we just ask you to just go back and check out a lot of videos. Plus there's a lot of information out there. So if you have everything, but if you do have everything in order and you are ready to go and you're looking, the only thing that you need is just some financing, you might have been pressing shirts under your industry, under your LLC for about 2-3 years now, and you're looking to kind of elevate, you're looking to manufacture your own product, as we always say, own your process. We've been saying that since the beginning. Well, not only can you now own your process and get in with a Mimaki printer or a Cutworks cut machine or any other type of machinery that we will be offering in the future, a UV flatbed printer, 3D printers, all of that is available now through Flash Printing Depot. We are going to be the #1 source for all printing needs to help you get started in your print shop.
All of 2024.
Yes, and beyond. So that's gonna be it for this video, guys. We just want to make this quick little video. Make sure you go check out everything else. Stay tuned for the next one. We got a lot of big things coming. We also got Thursday. We will be at DTF Day at AMCAD. Thursday, you can check us out in person.
Yes, please come through. Please come through. They're answering any questions about TTF, showcasing a new shaker.
Yes.
You can ask any questions about the software or anything like that, and we will be there. So please come by 10 a.m. to 2 p.m.
Now's the time to get a printer.
Yeah.
Now's the time. It's the season to get a printer and get started before everybody else does. All right, guys, you know our slogan.
Be basic. Peace.